I think EDHEC sending their students and really prioritizing this in curriculum is showing like a commitment to something bigger than just the university.
Smart response for All Hands and Hearts mean we come early. We try to come as early as we can after a disaster happens, and we stay as long as we can. Right now we're at the All Hands and Hearts base in Maui, and about 40 people camp here. It's completely tent living outside, really beautiful. We're completely off-grid here, so we use solar panels. We also use recycled water from the farm. We're at a kosher farm on Maui, so this space wasn't being used before, and we completely outfitted it to meet the needs of staff and volunteers.
Before any volunteers get here, we send out a Maui sensitivity training, which is different documents and links to just show how to behave regarding water rights, land rights, any language barriers that people might have, and just how to be respectful for a very specific culture.
We operate with the philosophy of let Lahaina lead. We come to communities and we listen and we have conversations and we understand the needs and what are the things they're wanting, and then we kind of propose a solution. Our first full year on Maui, we strictly supported local initiatives, like providing people power to local nonprofits who were doing the work, who were feeding the people and preparing meals. And then that was right around the 1 year mark was when we finished developing the ineligible debris removal scope. It's been really cool to be able to kind of be a small portion of the rebuild process, and knowing that emotionally people can go back to their property and they don't have like remnants of the fire. So trying to get people back into their community is, I think, a really big push that's happening. Right now we have our second EDHEC group since I've been here, and all of the students that we've had really have been awesome. They bring so much energy. It's cool to see just the growth in them.
When you come here as an EDHEC student, you're becoming a part of the All Hands and Hearts community, but you're also becoming a part of the community that you're contributing to. You get the opportunity to engage with community members, hear their stories, and try to help them along their way in rebuilding. But you also get a chance to engage with other volunteers and people from all around the world who are coming to help toward a similar cause.
There's only so much that you can do about learning in a classroom, but then you get here and you get onto site and you meet the people that have lived here their whole lives and see what they've lost and see how resilient and incredible they are, and understand that we are definitely doing wonderful things and helping this community, but they're also equally helping us.
My message to any new EDHEC student that is coming through a program, whether it's Maui or somewhere else, is just to really keep an open mind. You're going to get perspective that no textbook could ever give you. You're going to meet some really, really incredible people that will really shift your perspective on life.